Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve investment strategies with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. Research Amazon's business model thoroughly. Understand how Amazon operates across different sectors, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and digital media. Focus on the strengths and weaknesses of Amazon as a business. Analyze Amazon's growth trends over the past few years. Identify key metrics that influence Amazon's stock price, such as revenue growth, profit margins, and customer acquisition rates. Evaluate Amazon's competitive landscape and how it affects investment decisions. Utilize tools like Google Trends and social media analytics to gauge customer sentiment towards Amazon. Follow industry news to stay informed about changes in Amazon's policies and market strategies. Examine Amazon's financial statements, focusing on quarterly earnings reports for insights into performance. Consider the impact of macroeconomic factors such as interest rates, inflation, and seasonal trends on Amazon's business. Diversify your investment portfolio by including a mix of Amazon stocks and other investments to mitigate risk. Explore Amazon's expansion strategies in international markets and new sectors. Assess the potential of Amazon Web Services as a growth driver for the company. Monitor developments in Amazon's logistics and supply chain improvements. Analyze how competition from other retail giants influences Amazon's market positioning. Stay updated on technological innovations that Amazon is exploring, such as artificial intelligence and automation. Use analytical tools to backtest investment strategies based on historical performance data. Create a watch list of stocks and industries relevant to Amazon's ecosystem for ongoing analysis. Seek expert opinions on market trends and potential challenges facing the retail sector. Consider long-term versus short-term investment strategies based on your financial goals. Reflect on your experiences and learn from past investment decisions related to Amazon. Regularly reassess your investment strategy in light of new information and market dynamics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.